These construction time-lapse videos are getting millions of views, and people are earning a serious amount of money just by posting these kinds of videos on their channels. And this video was uploaded just 5 days ago and gained more than 10 million views.
And that is more than enough to get any YouTube channel monetized.
And then I found one Instagram page where a single video crossed over 300 million views. That's when I realized this isn't luck, it's a repeatable system. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recreate this format step by step using only free AI tools. And here's the best part. You don't have to write anything manually by yourself. I've already placed all the prompts in the description below. You just have to copy and paste. Let's start. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. Go to the description and copy the first prompt, paste it directly into ChatGPT, and hit enter. This prompt generates ultra-realistic construction transformation ideas. Every idea starts with something damaged, empty, or outdated, and ends fully finished, clean, and satisfying. Now pick the idea you like. Next, copy the second prompt from the description. Paste it into ChatGPT. Inside the brackets, insert your selected idea. Choose how many scenes you want. For example, 4 scenes works perfectly for shorts. Hit enter. ChatGPT will now generate a complete time-lapse breakdown. Same location, same camera angle, same lighting from start to finish. That consistency is what makes it feel real. Now let's generate the visuals. Step 2. Open Grok. Imagine AI. Go to grok.com. Before generating anything, fix these settings carefully. Go to your account settings, click on behavior, and turn off automatic video generation. This is important, otherwise it will animate randomly. Now select the video option, not image. Set the ratio to 9:16 for shorts and reels. Now copy scene 1 from ChatGPT and paste it into Grok. Generate the clip and download it. Here's the most important part for perfect continuity. Go to the end of the first clip, pause on the last frame, right-click, and select Copy Video Frame. Go back to the Imagine homepage and paste that frame. Now copy scene 2 from ChatGPT, paste it, and generate. This makes the second scene continue perfectly from the first one. Now repeat the same process for all remaining scenes, and it will generate the proper time-lapse videos for you. Step 3. Combine the clips. Open CapCut or any editor. Import all clips in order. Place them sequentially on the timeline. Add copyright-free background sound. Export in high quality, vertical 9:16 format, and that's it. You now have a viral construction transformation video created with free tools, zero guesswork, and pure copy-paste execution. Don't forget to like and subscribe.